Hello everyone, welcome again to the channel Geotechnologies. In this video we will learn that how we can transpose rows to columns and separate the cells data into different columns. Here we have a data that is the longitude in the row form and the latitude in the row form. Both of these data are in the row form and we want to convert it to the column. So it's the simple way to copy the data and paste here as the transpose. So now you can see the data converted from the row form to the column form. Similarly, we have a data here that is the latitude, and copying it again and pasting here in this column. Now you can see the data is appeared here in the column form, both longitudinal data and latitude data. In the longitude we have the data in degrees, minutes, seconds, and with the direction, but I want to separate all of them one by one. So here I want to separate the degrees, the minutes, the second, and finally the direction in different cells. Now copying it again for the latitude also and pasting here. So you can see that I want to add the degrees and minutes. Now selecting the longitudinal column and copying here. I want to extract only degrees here, so adding in the degrees column and selecting the data, the column data, and coming towards the data here in the text to columns format. Now clicking this one, there is two types, the delimited and the fixed width. However, I will click the first one. Now I want to remove the data with the help of the delimiters, so I will add the degree sign here, which is alt 0176. So you can see that it has been added. Now the degrees are separated from the minutes, seconds, and direction. Now again I will do it again for the minutes. So here I will need the quote or the minute, selecting all. Now next, and adding here this one. So now you can see the minutes are extracted. In the similar manner, do it again with the double quotes and clicking finish. Now degrees, minutes, seconds, and direction, all of them are in different cells. Following the same procedure for latitude, I can do it like here, selecting the column and coming towards the text column here, clicking next and adding 0 alt plus 0176 and OK, finish. Again, finish, and again. Now you can see that I am extracting each cell values. So this was the method of transposing rows to columns, as well as you can convert columns to rows, and you can also separate different cells values that are combined, adding the different limiters, delimiters, which can give you uh, cellular data in the different cells. Thank you.